I'm looking at Bitcoin now to mean maybe there's an opportunity here on the higher time frame for us to get an entry on be it spot or futures trade. So let's look at this on the weekly setup and see where we are currently. Okay, we are at this point where we saw this huge dip. That was how many weeks ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 weeks ago that we saw this huge dip to the downside. Um, Now, I think Bitcoin to an extent is gonna go towards this area or maybe reverse from here. But for now, I think this reversal might take us to this previous higher, like this swing high. It should be around 0.01900 price point. And if say we fail to break and close above this zone, like to target this other moving average here, which is the 13-day moving average, we might continue to go right down to about 0.0099 or 0.011 price point. But this is the zone where at least we should expect buyers to step in fully. I think short term, we can, like this week, can take us to this level. And then from there, we can also expect the next level this upside. But this should be the first level that we should expect price to take us this week. Let's see how many percent from where we are. This should be about 28% this week. Wow, wow. Maybe not this week. Maybe within the next 2 weeks. Of course, it can happen this week or within the next 2 weeks. It's gonna depend on what Bitcoin will do or what Bitcoin is gonna be doing. Now, dropping down to the daily time frame, let's see what we got here. On this time frame, you can see clearly we are around this area. You can see. So we can easily target this high here, which is going to be half of this move. You can see I marked the zone here a long time ago. If say we manage to get to this high, and manage to hit the 50-day EMA, it means we can target the 0.025 area, which is going to be around this zone on this time frame, right? But now, based on this move from where we are, price should at least target half of this move. I mean, the recovery should take us to at least half of this move. And by the time we should get to this move, all of these moving averages must have made their way to the downside. So I'm looking at now that we might easily do something like this, come hold, then maybe go up a little bit, hold again around this area, then go up there.